You've been asked to produce a pie chart at the last minute for an infographic. At the bottom of your Tools panel, click on the Edit Toolbar button and then scroll your way up or down until you can find the Charting tools. Find the Pie Graph tool, drag and drop it into your Tools panel, then click on the Edit Toolbar button again. You can now click and drag an area to produce your initial pie chart. Here it is. You can immediately start typing in the numbers that you've been given. You don't have to convert them into percentages or degrees. Click the tick to see the pie. You can close the data window. Shall we cheer it up? Let's remove the strokes from the edges and let's colour each segment differently. Here I'm dragging and dropping swatch colours from the swatches panel into each segment one by one. Go to your direct selection tool, deselect and then reselect any segment. You'll find you can explode it. Go back to your selection tool, deselect and reselect the whole pie chart. We can apply other effects. Let's apply an extrude and bevel 3D effect. Here, let's just adjust, make a few changes here, and then let's change the extrude depth perhaps, maybe even apply bevel. I can still go back to my direct selection tool, deselect, then reselect and continue with that exploded segment. Also back to the selection tool, select the whole pie chart. I can right click, choose data, and I can even update the numbers.